Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make taskbar like Mac and Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To emulate a Mac style taskbar in Windows 11, follow these steps. First things first, go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, and the taskbar behaviors drop-down menu. Choose Automatically Hide the taskbar. Now let's install a macOS style wallpaper. To do this, choose a wallpaper similar to those used in macOS using link in the video description for options. Now let's download and install Rainmeter. Use the third link in the description. Follow the installation prompts. Choosing your preferred language. And click Finish. Let's clear default widgets. Right-click on the Welcome widget. Choose Variants and choose the dot marked option to remove it. Do the same for the clock and other default widgets. Now, right-click on the desktop, navigate to View, and make sure Show Desktop Icons is disabled. And the Downloads folder, right-click it, then choose Extract All, and then hit Extract. Then open the folder. After extraction, pick the required folders and copy them. Open your new Explorer window, head to Documents, find the Rainmeter directory, enter the skins folder, and paste the copied files. Minimize this window. Find Show Hidden Icons on the taskbar. Open Rainmeter and refresh all if the skins don't appear. In Rainmeter, find the macOS taskbar skin and click Load. Proceed to the menu and configure the dock. This method will help you achieve a Mac-like appearance for your Windows 11 taskbar. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.